Here's practice assessment number 2, Maui hotels. First thing to do is have a good look at the question, underline the important points. We've got 2 hotels. The higher the floor, the better the view. So they charge more. Mountain View, $75 a night, increased by $370 every floor. Hillview, $65 a night, and that's got a 6% increase. So we have a look and we find out. We want to stay above the 5th floor, so I'm choosing the 10th floor. You could have chosen the 6th, 7th, 8th, 20th, it's up to you. But this is for the 10th floor, so Mountain View is arithmetic. It has a first term of 75, it has a common difference of $3.70. So we write out the values, the formula there, and put in the values 75 plus 10 minus 1 times 3.7. We work out the price is $108.30. Now we're going to compare it to Hillview. The first term is 65, but it's got a common ratio. The ratio is 6%, so remember that's per floor, so we multiply it by 1.06. That's the whole amount plus the 6% increase. You must get the correct ratio, otherwise you won't be able to do this question. Put the formula in for the 10th floor, A is 65, and work that out, and you can see that the best value for the 10th floor is Mountain View. Right, so that's straightforward. One day they have only one room on each floor up to the 12th floor occupied. How much did they earn? So we want to sum the 12 terms. So we get the sum formula. We put N is 12, A is 75, and D is $3.70. Calculate that on your calculator and you should get $1,144.20. You've got $150 a night. Which hotel offers the best view? So let's take the Mountain View one. 150 equals 75 plus n minus 1 times 3.7. So we're going to just plug that in, shift the 75 to the left. 150 minus 75 is $75. Divided by $3.70. Add the 1. So that means 150 could get you up to the 21st floor. What about Hillview? Well, let's have a look at the formula. We know that 150 is 65 times 1.06 to the n minus 1. Now we haven't done logarithms, so we can do this in a different context, a different way. We're going to, well, we know that the 21st floor can get you onto Mountain View. What about the 20th floor here? Well, you could try the 21st floor comparison. I see that the 20th floor is going to cost me $196. So obviously I can get a better view from Mountain View. Hillview's 20th floor is much more expensive than Mountain View's 21st floor. $196 compared to $150. Okay, so let's have a look at the next question. During the conference season, both hotels are full. Hillview has 22 floors. Both hotels have 20 rooms per floor. So I'm going to do Hillview. I'm going to sum 22 just for one room per floor, and then I'll multiply it by 20. So we go 1.06 times 22. We work out the formula, the sum total, calculate it correctly, put brackets around the denominator, 1.06 minus 0.1. Make sure you can get 2,820.50. That's how much they're getting for one room per floor up to 22 floors. Multiply by that by 20 because there are 20 rooms, and they're earning $56,409. Let's have a look at this sum for Mountain View. So we use the sum formula, and again we're going to see what it equals. Now, to get rid of the 2, because we're finding n, how many floors does it have? So we're finding n, multiply the 2, n over 2, take the 2 to the other side, multiply it, and also 2 times 75 is 150, expand your brackets out, and tidy it up a bit. Now we're going to do something here. We're either going to solve it, expand it and solve it by your calculator, or we could do this by trial and error. I'm going to do this by a little bit of trial and error here. Here we have our formula. I say, what if n is 30? Well, $30 will give me, 30 floors will give me $7,719. The other one, well, we want around about 5,640. So 30 is too high. What about 25? 25 is still too high. What about 23? Well, that's too low. Remember, we're looking for 5,641. So let's try when n is 24. And I see that 5,642.4 is close enough to 5,641 because they both have the same income within a few dollars. So Mountain View has 24 floors. Now, been there? That's in Singapore. I've seen it, haven't been in it.